Did you know that Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. is the only person who was not a U.S. president to have a national holiday dedicated to him? So today, I hope you'll take a moment to remember all that Dr. King did for our country. And since Dr. King was born in Atlanta, we thought we'd whip up a dish that's comforting, easy to make, and full of Southern goodness. It's a creamy potato bake that goes together like this. We start by combining some sour cream, a can of cream of broccoli soup, some shredded cheddar cheese, chopped onion, and a bit of melted butter. After making sure it's all mixed well, we stir in a package of frozen Southern-style hash browns, along with a bit of salt and pepper. Now, this goes into a casserole dish and gets topped with a generous amount of coarsely crushed cornflakes that we mix with a little butter before it goes into the oven to bake. When it's bubbling hot and the top begins to get golden, it's ready to serve. Talk about a creamy, dreamy side dish that's full of comfort. To get the recipe for our Southern Potato Bake, all you need to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a classic Southern way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.